Talking to hotel staff. Hello, I just checked in, but I have a question about my room.
Of course. How can I help you?
Is it possible to get extra towels? I only have one.
Yes, absolutely. Would you like 2 or 3 more?
2 is fine, thank you. Also, what time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 6:30 to 10 in the lobby restaurant.
Great. And is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the network name is Sunrise Hotel and the password is on your keycard holder.
Perfect. Could you also tell me where the gym is?
It's on the 2nd floor next to the pool.
Thanks. That's all for now.
You're welcome. Let us know if you need anything else.
Talking with coworkers. Morning. How's your day going so far?
Not bad. I'm just finishing the report. You?
I'm preparing for the team meeting. Do you have the latest numbers?
Yes, I emailed them to you 10 minutes ago.
Great. I'll check them. Are you joining the meeting later?
Yes, but I might be a few minutes late.
No problem. I'll let the team know.
Thanks. Let me know if you need help with the slides.
Will do.
Ordering food.
Hi, I'd like to order a sandwich, please.
Sure. What kind of sandwich would you like?
The chicken sandwich. Can I add cheese?
Yes, cheddar or Swiss.
Cheddar, please. And can I get a small salad?
Of course. Anything to drink?
Just water.
Great. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Asking for weather forecast.
Do you know what the weather will be like today?
I think it's going to be sunny in the morning.
And in the afternoon?
They said there might be some light rain.
Should I bring an umbrella?
It's probably a good idea.
Thanks for the warning.
No problem. Talking about daily routine.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30. I make coffee and check my messages.
Sounds nice. I wake up at 7 and go for a short walk.
That's healthy. What do you do after that?
I eat breakfast and start work at 9 o'clock.
My day is similar. I start at 8:30.
Do you exercise in the evening?
Yes, I try to. Maybe 3 times a week.
Good habit.
Asking about transportation.
Excuse me, which bus goes to the city center?
Take bus 14. It stops right in front of the main square.
How often does it come?
About every 10 minutes.
Great. Where is the bus stop?
Just around the corner on the left.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Talking about time.
What time is the meeting?
It starts at 3 p.m.
Oh, I thought it was at 2:30.
No, it was changed last week.
Thanks for telling me. How long will it last?
Maybe 1 hour.
Good. I'll be there on time.
See you then.
Asking about events. Are there any events happening this weekend?
Yes, there's a music festival in the park.
That sounds fun. When does it start?
Saturday at noon.
How much is the ticket?
It's free.
Even better. Do you want to go together?
Sure, why not?
Making simple complaints. Hi, I'm having a small problem with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
I asked for a medium coffee, but I got a small one.
Oh, I apologize. I'll fix that right away.
Thank you.
I'll bring you the correct size in a moment.
I appreciate it.
Thanks for your patience.
Asking someone to repeat. Sorry, could you say that again?
Sure. I said the class starts at 5:45.
Thanks. I didn't catch the time.
No problem. Do you need the room number too?
Yes, please.
It's room 204.
Got it. Thanks for repeating.
Anytime.